Hello friends, today we'll do trigonometry. Trigonometry is a word made up of three words: trigonometry. Metry is from metrics, which means measure. Gono is sides and tri is three. Three sides measured. We have a triangle. We have three sides in a triangle. This is a right angle triangle. So you can clearly see that this is perpendicular, this is base, and the side which is opposite to the perpendicular is hypotenuse. We all have read this in previous class. I hope you all remember the Pythagoras theorem that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Measure of these come from this equation. I hope you all remember, because this is the biggest side. This is opposite to perpendicular. Now for learning the measures of trigonometry, there is a very simple concept. We'll just remember Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. It is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. When I was small in school, then I learned this trigonometry from this one formula. Okay, this is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole. Now P upon H is sine theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Then tan is perpendicular upon base. Very simple. You have just written all three important equations. What is this theta? Just like in algebra, you have x, the number whose value you don't know. Similarly, in trigonometry, theta is your angle which you don't know. So when we come to know about the angle, we'll add it. However, we'll take it theta here. Cosec theta. Now cosec is the reciprocal of sine theta. So you can write it 1 upon sine theta or hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Similarly, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1 upon cos theta or hypotenuse upon base. And cot is, this is cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta, 1 upon tan theta. This will come as base upon perpendicular. It is very simple. When you have one equation, you can find out all others. Suppose we are given a question that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. And please find all other equations, trigonometric equations. How will you do that? This is a very simple question. We can get full marks in this. How? Sec theta is 13 by 12. Sec theta, I told you, is hypotenuse upon base. 13 is hypotenuse. Base is 12. You can also cross check this. Never any other side will be greater than hypotenuse. It will be the greatest side. So sec theta is given as hypotenuse upon base. Now we have to find first this side. So this side is hypotenuse square minus base square is perpendicular square. This comes from this equation. Okay, so p square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. P square is equal to 169 minus 144, that is 25. So perpendicular will have measure as square root of 25, that is 5. Now we have all three, 5, 12, 13. This is very simple, you have to just keep putting the values. However, in your exam you have to write these formula in front, write these formulae in front of your in the sheet to show to your teacher that yes, I know the formula and from where I have derived these answers. You will write sin theta is 5 upon 13, cos is 12 upon 13, tan is 5 upon 12. Now just reciprocals, 13 upon 5, 13 by 12 and 12 by 5. This is same, it is just a small verification. Yes, this is same as given in the question. So we have not got wrong anywhere, and you can also cross check if these squares are equal. 5 square is 25 and 144 is equal to 169. So it is also equal. Whenever you give your exam, just check before giving it to your teacher that yes, I have done everything correctly, and even you can mention clearly perpendicular is equal to 5, hypotenuse is equal to 13 and base is equal to 12. So the trigonometric equations are, then you will do this. And don't forget to mention this, because your teacher has asked you to find all equations, all other equations. Still I have written this so that we can verify that we have done it correctly. I would request you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please put in your comments if you have any confusion or any doubt. Thank you.